folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I'm at Greensboro at the Shriners Racers Expo and Car Show. And we got a customized 57 Chevy, big block power. This is a Nomad. I'll tell you what, this is nice. Got a 4-speed in it. Chevy in the making. Concord, North Carolina. They kind of got a crowd back there. I don't want to step in there and mix and get in mixed to that, so we'll walk around this way.
Jeremy got on the road.
All right.
Yeah, he did.
That just don't sound like me.
Look at the louvers on the back. Isn't that cool? I bet there's a hand painted also. Pretty slick, pretty slick.
Bye-bye.
Alright, it's awful dark in there, but I can tell you it's nice. Like it's rolled and tucked in there. Beautiful car. I couldn't drive this because you can't see out of it, but I still like it. Alright, let me turn you loose, folks. We got some more to look at.